about to go off. Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel that I don't really do nothing on, but we here and we trying to be here to stay. So today I decided to do a review on this palette. It's the Morphe Live with Love palette. And happy Pride Month, you guys. Live in color. I wish I had nails so I could do clicky stuff, but it's so colorful and it's so pretty and I had to have it. So, on the inside, ooh, so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna do a look with this palette and world domination. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna talk too much through the makeup, but stay tuned to, no, I'm not gonna talk much through the makeup, but at the end I will give my thoughts and like how I feel about this palette. Like if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. So yeah, let's get into the makeup. All right, so this palette is gorgeous. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. I had so much fun with this palette, and I love that it has a huge ass mirror right here, so I don't have to. I love that. So like, I only used about 3 or 4 colors, and they all like paid off really well. Like, you can see through the tutorial that dark blue, hands down, that dark blue popping, the purple popping, the glittery blue shade that's like on my lid, I was having problems with it, but I think it's my own fault because like I don't have the right brush, or I can't find the right brush. So like I literally used like 3 different brushes for the shade. It was giving me problems, it was, but I think it may just be me, it's not the palette. But I don't know, if I give it out of 10, I mean, I would give it a 10 out of 10. Only thing was the blue, but like I said, I think that was my fault because I don't think I was using the right stuff. But like the colors, I'm here for it. Like, this is something I could use every day. If I do makeup, I'll throw contour, like, I mean, I'll throw some bronzer on my eyelids and call it a day. But this I can use every day because like these in this section right here, you can use that every single day, so I love it. And then the shimmery ones, so pretty. You guys, if you want to get it, or if you were thinking about getting it, definitely get it. And it's so pretty. And I think I heard that the proceeds go towards LGBT community for suicide prevention, so definitely the coins is going somewhere good, so tap into it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think I'm gonna do 2 more looks with the same palette, so keep a watch out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.